It's great. I told him as soon as I
It's been
turned it
anyway.
I thought mid-century modern. I thought I told him that, and he said somebody said the same thing yesterday to him that it was kind of old. So I said, well, only us older people are going to tell you that.
Everything makes a comeback, so it's like
Traditional with a modern twist.
Yeah,
It
it's
is.
so
It's
cool.
exactly that. It's traditional and modern twist, and there's a confidence with it. And Mark doesn't talk; he just works and listens, and there's an inner confidence, and it's here. I mean, you could see it in the work in itself. He nailed the composition like second day. He just said, "What do you think of this?" I go, "You got it. Get started." And he's self-taught. He's self-taught. And you look at his other work where he basically does a lot of realism, and now this is like he's breaking away from here. And I predict that eventually he's going to be going full-on abstract expressionist, and he'll use it for his tattoo career, which would be interesting to see something like that. So there's definitely this sense of confidence with it.
Yeah.
It's like it's painted in a.
He has two really strong triangles on there, really.
Yeah, the
talked
diamond is in there also. Like there's that diamond formation that takes you across. No, it's I really like that. And then he had like a yellow ochre that was kind of here, and it worked. And then at some point they said, Mark, just keep bringing that up to an orange, and then he chose the right color of orange.
So it had more contrast?
Yeah, it has more contrast, and it scintillates the entire piece.
I like how it moves around all in there. It breaks the dark space, and right there, it carries your eye everywhere.
See that?
And I can follow that.
And it's just the right size, but it's a powerful painting. It takes up a lot of space. Right? So very well done.
Thank you.
Oh, but the color of turmeric.
And so, and then he heard me talking about varnish, and then he started applying his own mix of paint with varnish, and so he started to get transparencies here to start to happen.
Oh.
Okay. And so that was just his own initiative. I mean, he's got courage. He just does it. And so it's good. Very well done. It's I love it. It's playful. It's happy.
It's his personality.
Yeah, right there. Right. I think all of you have that. A lot of you brought in your personalities into the work. That's the part I'm really thrilled about, because it takes a lot of coaxing for that to come out. It really does. It could be scary, but thank you for trusting me on that too. Because obviously it has to go both ways. So I like this.
Yeah. It takes you everywhere.
Yeah.
All over.
Yeah. You're not leaving this painting kind of thing. Right?
But it's so strong.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's just there. It's powerful. It's like bang, bang, bang. So
Even in the middle.
I like it works this way. Or do we have this way too? Works.
It's kind of top heavy that way.
Yeah, I still see this.
Yeah.
But I think once you put the orange in there, I just love it. Love it.